summary of a series of video I just did on integrating testing within a CI/CD pipeline on AWS. So we cooked a lot of stuff in order to get this done. This is what we deployed using AWS. The infrastructure, basically, we use CloudFormation. This is what we have CodeCommit, CodeBuild, and CodePipeline. This is what the pipeline looks like. So 2 expectations. We did one that has CodeBuild for testing. The result was we have a happy developer. Another one is a hungry developer that doesn't have the opportunity to test his code before going live. So I hope you do watch this series of the video. This is the web page, and this is what production looks